Okay, we're going to start from removing a print head and then installing a new one. So in order to remove, this is the print head here. This is the print head sensor. And so the first thing we need to do before we remove a print head is remove the print head sensor. The reason is that this print head, when you take this print head out and you try to remove it with this print head sensor in the way, you'll bend it all up and you'll probably break it. So we take the print head sensor off the unit. There's your print head sensor. Looks good. The next step is we're going to remove this spring. This spring just pries up like that. It comes up like that. There's your print head spring. There are two little bushings in here. You can see these two here. You want to remove those two. Okay. And then we're going to remove this print head assembly now. So the first thing we're going to do is you can move this wire out of the way because it sometimes gets in the way, is you're going to push the print head towards you. And you can see right here, if you look really closely, you can see that there's a little bushing right there that come to that hole. See that right there on that side? The same thing on this side. That's why you have to pull the print head back so that these two parts will come through that hole. And then like that, the print head's right there. You take off these two screws. The left one has a black wire, it's a grounding wire, and remember to put that back on when you're changing the print head out. Just put your parts down. This side here. Two screws, and then the print head will come off of this mount assembly. This is the mounting assembly. It's yeah, and sometimes these get bent up, as you saw from my last video. This one is not bent up. It's really in good shape. This is a really nice in good shape unit. Our spring assembly. Then the next part, we're going to take off this orange tape. You can use an X-Acto knife or a screwdriver, and then this unplugs like so. Now you've taken the print head off. Now this print head is interesting because it printed the letters, which means that this part of the print head works, but when it did this, it didn't. I said that, I told you that in the beginning. I don't know what's going on with this print head, but we're just going to switch it out for this video. And then so once if it was a good print head, you would just do wrap it up like this, and so you would be able to have a print head with its printout, and that gives proof that it's a good print head if that was solid all the way across. So then you take your good print head, which is this one here,